Okay, so login. Meron din kaming bagong product, no? Ito pala yung Get All-in-One Prepaid. It's yes. Okay, sige, sige. Okay, no. Okay, sige. Ito yung all-in-one prepaid, no? Which you can buy sa mga outlets. It's actually another means of getting electronic credit sa load.com.ph. Matatandaan nyo yung kanina yung flow, di ba? From cash, you have cash in outlet, bank deposit, smart money, smart padala. Ito yung isa pang option, all-in-one prepaid card, no? So you buy that all-in-one prepaid card and you use it to top up your load.com account with load credit. Okay. Once you log in, you'll have yung what's new na page. Okay. So you can send load, you can buy cards, you can buy load credits, view your referrals, transfer credits, transaction history, update your profile, change your password, etc. And then mga announcements. Okay. So for buying load credits, for example, let's say bibili tayo via smart money. So, click mo lang load credit. Kung zero balance ka, kailangan mo muna gawin ko. And then, smart money. You can have all-in-one smart money bank deposit credit card. Okay. So, ito yung gagawin mo. No? Magka-transfer ka lang sa load.com. Type mo lang load 17 space yung amount na gusto mong i-purchase, let's say 1,500. Tapos magre-reply yung network sa'yo na transfer complete with reference number. So ito yung example. So type mo load 17 space 15, send it to 270. Kasi ito yung sample ng confirmation. Ito yung pinaka-reference number. No? So kukunin mo lang yon yung reference number dun sa confirmation, and then you go to the load credit, smart money, yun yung i-enter mo dito. Paste. And you want to, walang column. Okay. Once you click on verify and credit now, automatic, kung yung 1,500 na yun, pupunta doon sa account mo, plus the 3%, di ba? Since 1,000 nasa range ng 1,000 to 499, may 3% bonus credit. Okay? You can also top up using the all-in-one prepaid card. So kung bumili ka ng prepaid card, no, dito mo i-enter yung card number. Okay, type yung card number, tapos yung PIN. Okay, once you click on load credits now, makikredit sa account mo yung 300 pesos. So, yung denomination ng card. Yung credits mo, yung electronic credits mo, ako, meron ko ngayon 763.55. I can transfer it to another user, no? So, let's say, magta-transfer ako to Sharon and send her, say, 63.55. So, pag-click ko ng transfer, so, confirmation, transfer 63.55 load credits to Sharon. Pag-click ko ng OK, automatic pupunta ako dun sa transaction history, where yung nakalag lahat ng transactions, yung mga debit credits sa account ko. Yan, transaction completed successfully. So, makikita natin dito sa dulo na yung last transaction ko, nag-send ako ng 63.55, so ang balance ko ngayon, 700 na lang. So, yung balance ko, 700. Makikita ko dito sa transaction history, lahat ng transactions ko, let's say lahat, yung e-load ko last May 24, so ito yun, no? Minus 94 kasi 100 pesos yung niload. So, pag-click ko ng details, makikita ko yung date and time, kung kailan siya niload, cellphone number ng niload, yung amount na niload, which is 100, status niya if it's loaded, or kung failed siya, dito sa node, merong option to reload it or refund yung 94 pesos mo or 94 credits. Kung electronic PIN naman siya, like ito, bumili ako ng isang 250 ba? 300. pwede mong i-backtrack yung transaction history. So, if you want to check, let's say, from May 1 to May 10, ito yung mga transactions ko nung dated time na yun. Yung transactions mo will stay there for the past year, no? So, lahat ng transactions mo for that year, makikita mo. Ito yung sample na binili ko, bumili ako ng Globe 300, ito yung serial number and PIN. And if you want to get the instructions, you just click on the site. And then makikita mo na yung parang nakalagay sa card, no? Card number, saka PIN, and then how to use, dial 223, etc., etc. Okay. So, how to send load? So, for example, send load tayo. Okay. So, dito, type mo lang yung cellphone number, comma, yung amount. So, makikita mo sa graph, you are here, nasa purchase part na tayo. Dalawang steps lang lagi yan. Yung cash mo, convert to load credits, and then use your load credits to purchase. So, nandito na tayo sa part na to. Ito yung format, sample format. So, sample tayo. Sino dito naka-smart? Sino naka-smart na prepaid? Ano na yung?
0919
0919
359
359
5262.
5262. Sige, mamaya mo lang ako kaya. 0919-359-5262. Tama ba?
Baka mali.
Baka mali yung number.
Magbayad tuloy ako.
Zero nine two.
252 pala. Baliktad.
Yun. Buti na lang. 625. Ay, tama. 52. Okay, so pag-click mo na step 2, verify. Meron pa isang page actually. So para ma-double check mo kung tama nga yung number. Yan. So makikita mo dito yung number, 0919359652. Tama ba? Tapos yung load amount at makikita mo yung cost na discounted, less 6%. No? So pag-click natin, everything is accurate. Please load now. Ilo-load na ngayon ng system yung load. No? Isisend niya na sa network yun. At itatry ng reload. So makikita nyo dito, yung status niya initially is queued, no? Pag nagkamali ka, let's say, mali yung amount or mali yung number, pwede mo pang try to cancel. No? Try lang, pero hindi mo makakancel siya talaga. Okay? Ito yung mga possible status, queued, processing, sent, loaded, or it can be failed also, or canceled kapag na-cancel na siya. Try to cancel. So, refresh lang natin para makita yung current status niya. Yun, loaded. With reference number. Nakuha mo? 30 pesos o 300 pesos?
300 ata.
300. Ayun. So, ganoon lang, no? Napakadali. Pwede ka mag-send ng multiple load to multiple cellphone numbers, multiple denominations also. So, kung nagtitipid ka sa internet time, let's say, per minute yung internet mo, pwedeng lista mo muna yung mga loloadan, tapos dial ka, type mo lahat ng mga iloload, let's say, 888, 555, 25 pesos, 60920, 100 pesos, 150.
Iniloadan ka
Tapos
ulit.
0922, 56, 777, 50 pesos. No? So, pwedeng multiple numbers, multiple amount, up to 100 numbers at a time. So, pag-click mo ng verify now, tapos send load, lahat yun, ilo-load ng system. Pwede ka rin bumili ng cards. So, buy cards. Ito naman yung mga game cards, internet cards, cell cards. No?